Hey guys, I will show you how to fix this problem on Windows 11 operating system. This solution is also applicable for Windows 10. What you have to do, you need to just follow my screen and we will fix this issue together and forever. In the first step, go to search bar, type your task manager and hit enter. Once we are here, click on run new task and then select browse button. Now go to this PC, open C drive, then open Windows folder. Now we need to open System32 folder. Just keep scrolling down. Here it is. Double click on it to open it. In this System32 folder we need to find out CMD file. So select it and click on open. Now check this box, create this task with administrative privileges and click on OK. Once we are here, we need to close all the background windows and we will focus on the command prompt window. Now type all these commands carefully and simply hit enter to execute them. In the first command, type in prompt prompt and hit enter. Then type in chkdsk and hit enter. So this command will take few seconds to complete the procedure, and once done we will move to the next command. That will be sfc space slash scan file equal to c colon backslash windows backslash system32 backslash ie frame.dll and hit enter. And then we need to type the next command, that will be sfc space slash verify file equal to c colon backslash windows backslash system32 backslash ie frame.dll and hit enter. Now we need to type in ASSOC and hit enter. Now the final command will be sfc space slash scan now and hit enter. So this process will take a lot of time, around 10 to 15 minutes, depends upon your computer configuration how fast it is. And if you are doing this command, executing this command first time, then it will take around 20 to 25 minutes and it will fix everything related to your operating system and your fix the problems and everything. So don't worry, complete this up to the 100% and then simply restart your system and your problem will be solved. That's it guys. You can also check out our description link to fix this issue quickly and effectively. A better way to fix this each and every problem on your operating system. And yeah, restart the system. Don't forget to like the video. Please do subscribe the channel.